Welcome to our course, Kahoot Game-Based Online Assessments. The course is housed in the Oakland Schools Learning Management System platform, which is Moodle. And the course is sequential in nature, which means that you will start at the top of the course and work your way down to the bottom of the course. You'll be able to track your progress quite easily, so you'll know exactly where you left off and need to pick up the next time you come back into the course. You will be able to watch this welcome video, and when you're done, you can put a check mark next to its placeholder to indicate you've done that and you're ready to move on. Right underneath the welcome video is the course explanation, which has additional information, including how to contact your instructor. And when you're finished reading this, which is another page within the course, you can simply use the breadcrumbs or your back arrow to go back into the course and continue on. Again, underneath there is another page within the course that explains how you can get state continuing education clock hours to help you renew your teaching certificate. And once you've reviewed that, you can put the check mark there. Again, in this course, you're going to be learning through video tutorials as well as text-based tutorials. And so this is the video tutorial, and here is the text and image-based tutorial that shows you exactly how to set up your account. And so you can review this, and then you can go out to the Kahoot website and create your course. And again, these directions open right in the course. However, there are also links that open up in another window that take you out of the course. So here, it's your turn to set up your username and password. If you click this one, it takes you out to the Kahoot website, and you'll notice it's now opened in a new tab. So you can go back and forth between the course and your Kahoot account as you do your work. So when you're done with the Kahoot tab and you close it, you'll still be in the course, and you can check off, that you've accomplished these tasks as well. Again, you're going to work your way through the video and text-based tutorials, the things that you need to do based on your learning. And eventually in the course, you'll come to a section where you're going to actually try out Kahoot, and you're going to need to submit a reflection. All the submissions will have an icon that looks like a hand with a piece of paper turning something in. So you'll go click on the link, and you'll find the reflection directions repeated, often with additional information that helps you locate URLs and other things you're required to submit. And if you keep scrolling down the submission page, you'll find the place where you can add your submission. And you're going to add your submission with an online text editor. And so again, once you open it, scroll down, and you'll see the text box where you'll be typing in your answers, your reflections, and pasting in any URLs you need to share. If when you come to the text box, it looks like this with not as many of the typical word processing editing tools, you can go ahead and click that top icon on the left side of the text box, and you'll get those additional tools that you can use. And then it's simply a matter of entering in your information about what happened when you tried out Kahoot, and keep typing. And if you get interrupted or you need to stop, you can come down here and you can save the changes. And that way you can always come back in, and you can now edit your submission if you need to, or if you're done, just move on. All of these submissions are going to be looked at by your course instructor, and the instructor will provide feedback to you. So back on the course page, you cannot put a check mark next to any of the course submissions. They are highlighted with an icon that has dashes around it, and you can't click in it. But once the instructor gives you feedback and marks it as complete, a check mark will automatically appear there for you. You do not need to stop and wait for feedback. If you're ready to move on in the course, feel free to move on. But usually within a few days, you will get that feedback. So as you move through the course, you'll have learning experiences with video and text and image-based tutorials, and then you'll have tasks to do, and you'll be using Kahoot with your students. And then finally, at the very end, you'll do a final reflection. In your final reflection, you'll think about your journey so far with Kahoot, and then you'll also be thinking about how you're going to use it going forward and what your next steps will be. And then you'll be completed with the course. If you have any questions, please reach out to your course instructor.